Welcome to Romanel-sur-Morges, a charming village in the canton of Vaud, located between Morges and Cossonay. This is where you'll find a village house full of character, built in 1837. It offers 112 square meters of living space, with great potential to expand to around 177 square meters. The house includes 4 rooms with 3 bedrooms, a bright living room, and a fully equipped kitchen. This living space opens onto a southwest-facing terrace, perfect for enjoying sunny days. Upstairs, you'll find 3 bedrooms, including one with a small balcony and a lovely open view over the village. The spacious and light-filled attic can easily be converted to suit your needs. In the basement, a vaulted cellar features a carnot set, a wine cellar, and a well used for watering the garden. The garden itself is well exposed and offers a beautiful green space you can shape to your liking. There are also 3 outdoor parking spaces available. Just 130 meters from public transport, this home is ideal for a family, or for anyone planning a personalized renovation project. A peaceful setting, surrounded by nature yet close to all essential amenities. Call us to arrange a viewing and discover this beautiful home.